Hi, I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful landscape and pool project that we just completed in Meadows 9, which is a Type 7 villa. Located just outside the living room and dining room, this patio and skimmer pool provide a quiet and peaceful space to relax and enjoy the view. The attached waterproof pergola adds a cozy touch and offers a comfortable outdoor living space to get together with family and friends. The outdoors bar, cool grey and blue tones complement the natural wood panels and create an inviting place for drinks and casual meals.
Sejal's created such a fantastic outdoor space for us, an extension of our home. So we almost feel like we're inside and yet we're outside enjoying the view and the pool. Even Zuri, our dog, just loves to play outside whilst we just hang around and unwind.
A good landscape design is sustainable, practical, functional, and optimized to enhance your living experience.
So if you're considering moving to a new home or renovating and redecorating your old home, then call Sejal at Milestone. She will give you exactly what you visualized as your dream home.